Welcome to the cooler reports. And on my right hand, I'm going to introduce our newest products, the crepe and the pancake makers. Let's take a look at the overall size first. The cooking pan, about 17.5 inches, the diameters. And the unit's overall height will be about like 9 inches and a half. And as you can see, they have a connection on the side, and for this pipe connect with the liquid proppings. And the starters right here, you can squeeze it. This will be turns on. Now let's take a look at the units inside, the burner side. And the inner side, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 burners inner side, and the starters right here connections. That's the machine. This is all the units looks like, and thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.